My son loves chicken, so do I. So today I made his favorite food, which is high in protein, and will make sure that while he runs for his football matches, he gets the muscle building and repair also. Vitamin B12, iron, zinc, all will be provided. I make sure him to give onion and lemon salad. So lemon will provide vitamin C, and onion is again good for the health. In summer also, rice will make sure that he gets the carbohydrate, easy to digest also. So curd will give him good gut health, probiotics will be there, and curd can be given in the form of raita also. This is the way I give him a healthy meal of chicken with a balanced diet. For more tips, stay connected. Thank you for watching.